Operation procedure of oil country e-Lathe. 1. Turn on power source. 2. Release emergency push button. Turn on power. 3. Turn on coolant. Turn off coolant. 4. Push jog button. Make sure gear is well engaged. 5. Turn on spindle. Turn off spindle. 6. Push jog button on carriage control panel. 7. Choose spindle rotation on select switch for clockwise or counterclockwise. Turn on spindle on carriage control panel. Turn off spindle. 8. Rapid tool slide. Push 6-way control lever all the way down to tool slide position. Push tool slide control knob to auto mode. Toggle rapid function switch 3 seconds to left or right. 9. Rapid compound slide. Move the 6-way control lever to middle position. Toggle rapid function switch to rapid in and out. Operator should move away from compound slide handle before running rapid mode. 10. Rapid carriage. Pull 6-way control lever up to rapid carriage mode. Toggle rapid switch for rapid carriage. 11. 4-speed selector operation. Make sure air is on. Be cautious. Make sure spindle is off. Switch to desired speed range. Push speed selector start button until green light is on. Turn on spindle. You can vary the spindle RPM by turning the potentiometer. Auto feed example. 1. For example, 24 thou inch per minute. Select chart ADE 4 inch and auto feed mode. Select direction on direction control lever. To help engage, you can use the jogging function. Turn on spindle. 2. Make sure feed rod is turning. 3. Longitudinal in feed. Pull 6 control lever up to carriage position. Push down auto in feed lever. 4. cross feed. Push 6-way control lever down to middle compound position. Pull auto in-feed lever all the way up. (13) Cutting thread. For example, 20 thread per inch. 1. Follow the chart. ADE 4-inch thread. Select direction on direction control lever. Turn on spindle. Two. Make sure the thread lead screw is turning. 3. Pull a 6-way control lever all the way up. Make sure the auto feed rod is in neutral position. Follow the chasing dial. Engage the thread lever.